Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make New Orleans-style Beignets easy method. Mix warm milk, yeast, sugar, and eggs, then add flour and a pinch of salt. Knead until smooth, then let rest until doubled. Roll to about 1/4 inch thickness, cut into squares, and proof briefly. Fry in hot oil until puffed and golden, then dust heavily with powdered sugar and serve hot. In this video, I will show how to make New Orleans-style Beignets easy method. Use a kitchen scale and keep ingredients at room temperature for smoother mixing. Monitor oil with a thermometer and adjust heat to maintain 350 degrees F while frying. Trim dough edges for even squares and proof on a warm tray to encourage rise. Drain on paper towels briefly, then sprinkle powdered sugar generously and serve immediately for best texture and flavor. In this video, I will show how to make New Orleans-style Beignets easy method. Quick recommendation. The Kindle Paperwhite is great for reading recipes hands-free while you flour your counter, and it survived a sugar storm in my kitchen. If you are finding this video helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more cooking tips. Check the description for the Kindle link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. In this video, I will show how to make New Orleans-style Beignets easy method. For variations, fill Beignets with jam, chocolate, or pastry cream after frying for a tasty surprise. Toasted nuts or cinnamon in the sugar add subtle warmth. Serve alongside strong coffee or chicory for contrast and tradition. Keep extra powdered sugar on hand and enjoy the mix of crisp exterior and pillowy interior while still warm from the fryer.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.